Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making Thai red curry with chicken. Last time we made the saucy type. This time we are making the dry type so it looks more like a stew. This is the really quick and easy recipe and yet tastes so good. First, prepare and slice your chicken. I prefer chicken thigh for this recipe. These are basils from my yard. I only pick the younger leaves for this recipe. Heat up 3 tablespoons coconut oil in a pan, then add 3 tablespoons curry paste. Sauté until it is mixed well with the oil, then we put the sliced chicken. Open your canned coconut milk. Do not shake your canned coconut milk for this recipe. We will scoop 4 tablespoons concentrated coconut milk sitting on top of the can. When the chicken is cooked, add the concentrated coconut milk. Continue cooking until the sauce is reduced. This looks about right. Now we add 1 teaspoon sugar in the raw, stir, and add basil leaves. You can add a little bit of fish sauce if you want. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Write a comment or ask me a question about this recipe, and I'll be happy to answer you. Put the leaves in the hot curry and let them cook a little. Add a little bit of water if your curry looks too dry. Now it's ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time.